Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel today. Today we have a small pocket knife that is a very neat built pocket knife. As you can see here, it has a nice wooden handle here on the side. It's a folding blade. There's the blade. It's a buck. Very sharp and very handy knife. It sits nice in the hand. As you can see there, you have a lot of strength on this blade to be able to put a lot of downward force on it. There's a nice shape on the blade, and as you can see here as well, the blade thickness is also nice and thick, but not too thick. It's no wobbly. It's a nice pocket clip, very strong pocket clip. Can't barely lift it up. So it's a very strong pocket clip, this one. And yeah, it's a very nice, small, compact, foldable knife. I like it a lot, and it just carries easily. So I bought it for 100 rand. It's not that much money, but it's good value for the money, and it's quite sharp as well. As you can see here, cuts perfectly. So it's a very handy and compact knife, lekker for cutting your biltong as well. Here in South Africa we like to eat our biltong with a nice small biltong knife, and like a comfortable knife as well that sits in your hand. So this one will work perfectly for your biltong. And yeah, it has a lanyard hole as here well, for if you want to put a lanyard here or key ring to put it on your keychain or your keys. It will work as that as well, but I like to wear it in my pocket with the pocket clip. So let me know what you think about this knife, and then we'll talk about it. So the next video I'm making is about this Browning I bought the other day, and as you can see, it's a beautiful knife as well. And I'm going to oil the wood a little bit because it's not protected, so I want to protect it as well. So check out this knife. It's coming up next. Please like, share and subscribe.